Action.
Hi, I'm Juliana Johnston Centuria, Morah Chanah at Fairmount Temple, parent-child third grade Hebrew, and this is Jonathan. And we've got two new words to talk about today. We're on lesson 5 in the main book. Listen to this word and tell me what new sound you hear. Geshem. Geshem.
I hear the g.
Right on. That's the Hebrew G. It's called a gimel. Do you want to show it? Okay, there's our drawing of a gimel. G, g. And do you know what the hand signal for that is? Geshem. What do you think Geshem might be?
Precipitation?
Ooh, that's a good guess. It's rain.
Oh.
Okay, so Geshem. Because
Geshem.
not just any participation, it's rain specifically, because we're going to learn sheleg, which is...
Snow?
Good guess. Okay, let's show them how to write a G in the air. Like, let's help out the lefties in our class. I'm going to do mine left-handed. You can do yours right-handed. Okay, so it's just a little tiny line and down, and then one little, like, stool leg coming out.
To make sure it doesn't fall over on his face.
Exactly. So let's try that one more time. It's 1, 2. Okay, good. Okay, here, there's another sound in Geshem that's new. The Do you want to show them 2 ways to make an sound? There we go. So remember with the vowels, I always put it underneath an aleph because aleph doesn't have a sound of its own. It's a letter.
Or not ayin.
Well, the aleph is just easier to work with because the ayin has that little tail and it kind of doesn't look as neat, so that's why I use the aleph. I like it better.
Okay.
Okay, so 2 ways to make an It's 3 dots in a triangle or 5 dots, and it's the same triangle but then 2 other dots next to it. Okay, so I'm in my book on page 23, and I hope you are at home, and I'd like everybody to try writing the Geshem, and the new sound. So let's give everybody a chance at home to do that, and then we'll start again. We'll pause right now.
Action.
Okay, we're back. We forgot to show the cute little hand motion for the sound. Do you know it already?
No.
There's a picture in your book to give you a hint on page 21, and I think it's super cute. Make your little nest with your hands. Nest, and the little dots are like eggs in your nest. Come on, that's kind of cute. Aw, okay. So Geshem is the first word, Geshem, for rain, and that's our signal for g. So the other word I want you to learn today is shemesh. You try.
Shemesh.
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 Okay, so Geshem is rain, Shemesh is...
Sun.
Exactly, the opposite. Sun. In fact, right now, do we have Geshem or Shemesh?
Shemesh.
Akshav? low, Akshav. Geshem, Yorad, Bechutz.
No, it stopped raining.
Okay, but it's not sunny.
Yeah, it's neither.
Okay, fine. I think it's still raining.
So I just went with the one that's not raining.
Okay, I'm going to go with it's still raining. So listen to the Hebrew sentence.
It's not raining.
Okay, listen to the Hebrew sentence, though. Hageshem,
Hageshem.
Yorad,
Yerad.
Bechutz.
Bechutz.
That means the rain is coming down outside. Kind of cool, huh?
And the rain is coming down.
Well, it's raining.
That's not true right now.
Okay, well, we can argue about that off camera, okay? Okay. All right, let's look at a little bit more Hebrew reading. So I'm on page 23, and I'd like you to follow along at home. So, Jonathan, I want you to try to read starting on line 6, following along with your etzba, o iparon, pencil, and same at home. Okay, so let's try line 6.
Dag.
Yofi.
Gadol.
Yofi.
Bayam.
Very nice. Dag gadol bayam. Do you know any of those words? Gadol. Gadol. Katan. Gadol. Katan.
Oh, big.
Yes, exactly. Dag is fish. Gadol is big. Bayam, in the sea. A big fish is in the sea. Cool, huh?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, here's one I just told you about. So let's try line 7. Why don't you try to read?
Sheleg.
Mm-hmm.
Bayad.
Mm-hmm.
Shel. Adam.
Very nice. Sheleg. Coming down from the sky. But it's not Geshem. Sheleg.
Snow.
Right, snow. Do you know what? This is a funny one. So snowman is Ish HaSheleg. I don't know why that sounds so funny, but it does, doesn't it? It means man of snow. Okay, Sheleg Bayad, in the hand, shell of Adam. It means snow's in the hand of Adam. That means Adam's getting ready to throw a big snowball, right? Okay, all right, let's try reading one more line, line 8, and you can try reading at home too.
Degel. Gadol. Bayad. Shel. Abba.
I'm not going to tell you what that one means. Very nice reading, by the way. Nachon, all correct. But I am going to say that one for in class because we're going to try to figure out what that one means in class. Okay? Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm looking then at page 24, and I'm going to ask everybody at home to do all of page 24, and then if you're using the video game this way, you can enter these clues. If you're using the video game offline like we do, then you don't need these clues, but it's still good to do the page anyway to get the extra practice. And I did get a note from the publisher, by the way, of our book, this one, and they said that they were aware that there have been lots of computer problems, and they've done a big upgrade of their system. And so if you had been using the game offline, it might not be a bad week to try using it online again because they seem to have fixed the system. It's totally up to you because as long as you're playing the games, that's really that matters. It's a way to do the practice, or you can also do the exercises in the book if that works a little bit better for you. It's really up to you. All right, so tell me again, what's rain?
Geshem.
Nachon, correct. And sun?
Shemesh.
Shemesh. Very nice. Shemesh. Okay, and then snow. Sheleg. Sheleg. Try it again with me. Sheleg.
Sheleg.
Good. Okay, we'll practice them in class too. Okay. Okay, so should we just say, we should say Chag Sameach because we're still in Sukkot and Simchat Torah is coming up. So we can say Chag Sameach.
Chag Sameach.
And Lehitraot.
Lehitraot.